crazy today. I've had a bad week. Haven't put up a video in a few days, but let me tell you about my week, and then a few things. One, I went to Phnom Penh to buy this, the 16 to 35 f4 Sony Zeiss lens. I'm really happy with it. Took the money, had it in my backpack, bought the lens, and then I also got a Nissi 10 stop filter for the lens, and purchased that, running around Phnom Penh. And the next day, I'm walking through a really crowded market, and my backpack back here, you can see that there's a little zipper on the very back, and stupid me had a clunk of change in my wallet right in the very back pocket. And walking through the market, somebody unzipped it, took the money out, and left before I even felt anything. So pretty upset. Then I decided to do a 5-day detox with my trainer Jay. Thanks, Jay. Been working out with him 5 days a week, pretty hard on chest, arms, back, legs, all that stuff, with free weights. So I've been getting in better shape. Can go on these adventures. I feel a little stronger. But yeah, I decided to do a 5-day detox. Only tea, only water, no food. And boy, that sucked hard. But last night, went out and enjoyed some pizza. And now I feel like I have a little bit of energy, so I'm back out here again. So today I decided to bring the moto out to a temple that I can get to for free. And this is Banteay, Ampil. So you can see up here, it's a cool door. That's what I'm shooting today. A 3 exposure HDR to get the shadows inside the door and the highlights up all around the side on the trees. So hopefully that turns out. But this was more of a, can I make it out here? Can I get back to doing videos and enjoy myself? And I am, but I'm exhausted. It took me about an hour and a half to get out here on my moto, dirt roads, sand roads. But I'm exhausted, and so I'm gonna link. I told you guys in the last video, I want you guys to know that I'm inspired by other people. I want you guys to know like who inspires me. I mean, it's fun, you know, when some people tell me that I inspire them. I appreciate that, and that excites me, energizes me to take more photos. And so I want to do the same. I want to encourage people and just let you know like who inspires me to come out and take shots and get on the moto and get out and see new things. I've never been here before, so this is kind of a cool place. I'll probably come back. But let's talk about somebody that's inspired me. I mentioned Thomas Heaton in the last video. Definitely check his stuff out. But today I'd like to talk about Trey Ratcliffe. You probably know him. If you don't know him, okay. Trey has really inspired me, educated me. You know, I think we've chatted a couple times. I'm hoping to go to New Zealand here in the next maybe 2 years. I don't know. I'm closer here in Cambodia to New Zealand, so my wife and I were just talking about that this week. But Trey Ratcliffe, check out his site. But he has helped pioneer like the HDR industry, which is what I do. Like here I'm shooting HDR, 3 shots, 3 exposures. It captures a broader range of light, and so he is definitely probably the single most inspiring photographer as far as HDR goes for me. And I really enjoy seeing his new work, but I like seeing what he's doing. So Aurora HDR, you know, some of the software that he used actually is stuff that he's helped create and put out for people like us. And so Trey is a funny guy. I think he's a funny guy. He likes to joke around. He's very easygoing and enjoys life, and that's what I like about Trey. He enjoys life and he has fun with photography, and so he has poured a lot of time, a lot of effort into providing resources and into helping other people. And I think that's more important than the photography, you know, like shooting stuff like this. You know, this door back here, there's my tripod back there, I should probably take that home. But I think inspiring other people, helping other people, photography is a community, and so that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. So Trey, you know, thanks for all the work that you put out, the amount of times you've pressed your shutter button to share, you know, sites with the world and let us see places that we've never been. You've done a lot of that, and you're also really smart, and so just thank you for sharing your intelligence and your knowledge with the rest of us and helping us become better photographers. And so yeah, definitely subscribe to Trey. I'm not sure, he has some stuff on YouTube, but he's not really a vlogger, he's a photographer. But he has software out there, and I'll put all the links to software, his website, all of his Instagram, all that kind of stuff in the description at the bottom of the video. Okay, well, I've got a whole rest of the day ahead of me. Came out here, it's about 1:40 or 11:45 or something like that in the morning, and the sun is out. And I shot up there. Problem is, up at this door, you can see the sun. I'm down here in the shadow now. I couldn't film up there. I wanted to show you guys the door, but you guys can see it, and hopefully you'll enjoy the video. But more importantly, hopefully you like the photo. I think it's kind of a cool place. And if you want to come here, give me a shout. Come to Cambodia. Let's hang out sometime, and we'll see you next time.